In this video, I'll show you how to choose the correct footprint for different electronic components in KiCad. Let's start by selecting the correct footprint for this 1 microfarad 50-volt electrolytic capacitor. First, open Google and search for 1 microfarad 50-volt electrolytic capacitor dimensions. Since we're using a radial electrolytic capacitor, we'll use the first result dimensions. Now, switch back to KiCad. I've already added the capacitor to the schematic. Next, click on Assign Footprints. On the left side, select the capacitor THT library because we're using a through-hole electrolytic capacitor. If you're using an SMD capacitor instead, select the capacitor SMD library. Before we continue, enable these two options at the top. This makes it easier to find the footprint we're looking for. From the dimensions shown in the Google result, we only need these 3 values. Now, look at the list of footprints on the right side and find the radial capacitor footprints. After finding the radial capacitors, first, match the diameter of the capacitor. In our case, the capacitor has a 5 mm diameter. So look for footprints labeled D5.00 mm. You'll notice there are 2 footprints available with a 5 mm diameter. The next thing to match is the pin pitch, which is the distance between the 2 leads. I usually recommend selecting the 2.5 mm pitch, shown as P2.50 mm. For this capacitor, this is the correct footprint. If you'd like to preview the footprint, first select the footprint, and then click on this button. To see how it looks in 3D, click on this button. Once you've confirmed that it's the correct footprint, simply double-click on the footprint to assign it to the capacitor, and then click OK. Now, before you manufacture your PCB, it's always a good idea to verify that the footprints actually match the physical components you'll be using. To do that, open the PCB editor. Next, click on Print. Here, enable f.silkscreen, f.mask, f.courtyard, and f.fab. Then, open the Drill Marks drop-down menu and select either small mark or real mark. Set the print scale to 1:1. Finally, click Print and print the PCB on a paper. Once it's printed, place your actual components on top of the printout and try inserting the leads into the printed holes. This is a quick and simple way to confirm that your selected footprints match the real components before you order your PCB. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.